What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your speakers to your BluTube receiver. On the back of the receiver, you'll see we have the speaker terminals here, and you see we have one terminal for the left side of speakers and one terminal for the right side of speakers. Underneath these terminals, you're going to see this sign here that reads minimum 4 ohm. Now this just tells us that the left and the right channels are 4 ohm, which will let us know what kind of speakers we can use with this receiver. So for example, you can use one 4 ohm speaker for the left channel and one 4 ohm speaker for the right channel, which is a perfect match because you're matching the impedance of 4 ohms. You can also use one 8 ohm speaker per channel, and you can even use two 8 ohm speakers per channel because that will bring your impedance down to 4 ohms, which will match the impedance on the receiver. But no matter what, you don't want the impedance to fall under 4 ohms because that could risk damaging your speakers and or the receiver. So with that, you don't want to use two 4 ohm speakers for the left and right channel. We made this chart here for you guys to show you the different combinations of speakers you can use with the receiver. So for today, I'm going to be using the Rockville 68 V2 speakers, which are 8 ohm speakers. So to set them up to my receiver, I'm going to loosen these speaker terminals here on the back. I'm going to be using these speaker wires to connect the speakers to my receiver. So I'm going to take one end of these wires and plug them into the speaker outputs here. And I'm going to be sure to match the red with the red terminal and the black to the black terminal. Then I'm going to take the other ends and plug them into the terminals on the back of my speakers. And again, be sure to match the red with the red and the black with the black. If you wanted to make these connections easier, you can always get banana adapters that plug right into the terminals of your speakers or receiver. Now remember, because I'm using 8 ohm speakers today, I can also expand my setup with 2 more 8 ohm speakers for the left and right channel. And the way to do that is through parallel wiring, which we actually have a video on if you want to check that out to expand your setup further. In summary though, you're just taking another set of speaker wires and connecting them to the terminals of your first pair of speakers, and then you plug the other ends into the next pair of speakers, and then you're all set. Again, you can check out that video for some more detail. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your speakers to your BluTube receiver, but of course if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.